Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm about to make dinner, and my dinner is going to be a salad, a vegan salad of course. Yeah, it's going to be really fucking good, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy, and it's really easy to make, so you guys should try it out as well. It's easy and it's delicious, so wink wink. This view is just so beautiful. I'll show you guys. Sorry, I'm on top of a rock, so just gorgeous. Ugh, I can't. Let's get started.
Guys, don't forget to wash your hands, okay?
Okay, so what I'm making is a mango avocado salad. And I'm gonna be using 2 knives, one for the mango, one for the avocado. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut open this avocado. So guys, I'm gonna be using this organic half and half mix. It has spinach, kale, Swiss chard, etc., etc. I would go pick fresh greens from the garden, but I don't feel like it. Okay. These friends keep talking way too much.
Catch flip for the girls are undeniable. It's too low. Why?
Oh, this avocado looks kind of nasty. So I have to use it now. Damn, guacamole or no, son. Sheesh. Ugh. I'm gonna cut off the little nasty shit. More nasty shit. Oh well. Not my problem. Now I'm just gonna be just slicing the avocado into squares. I'm gonna be adding. Oh my god.
Oops, fail. I'll be adding roasted sunflower seeds. Walnut. And cranberries.
I'm gonna rinse this off first. Make sure you wash your fruits and vegetables, guys.
A tip, use baking soda to clean your fruits and veggies. It's the best, most effective way, so yeah, not just plain water. Boys, we are boys in the ocean. We give you under ocean. Boys, we are boys in the ocean. We give you under ocean.
And we're back.
Now I'm just cutting this into squares, like so. Like that. So we could just easily prop them out. Next, we're gonna add some tomato. Okay, suck my balls. Yeah. Just gonna put it all together and yeah.
Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. A girl has found another and gone away.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more things like this. Like I said, I'll be doing tutorials, cooking videos, everything that pertains to my life basically. Yeah. Really simple, really quick, and delicious. I hope you guys are having a good day, morning, or bitch, a fly was on my finger, or good night wherever you are. And I'm just holding this like I'm a waitress or something. Yeah, peace, love, and all that jazz. Stay healthy. People think it's a game when it comes to like nutrition and their health. You gotta start somewhere, guys. Just take it seriously, and it does your body good. You feel good, you look good, and you're just better off. So I just wanted to say that. It's all love though. Peace.